I have these extra cutoff fabrics. They call them cutoffs or something, and they're like the extra pieces that are left over from like the fabric bundles, and they were just rolled up and they were on sale, so I got these. And this one is my favorite. Of course there's the least amount, but it's okay because I'm just so happy I got some. So pretty. Look at it. Oh, cannot wait to make journals out of these. So the mustache one's so cool. Alright, so I'm going to move these over somewhere-ish. Alright, and these are what I found at Joanns, and they literally just got some of these in, and I'll show you which ones. They're like the Asian, the really pretty Asian ones. So there's this one right here, which is at the right side. Yeah. No, I don't know. They look pretty close. So there's that one. And this is one of the ones that they just got in. It's so pretty. So pretty. Look at this. There's like gold in it. There's this, is that a crane? I don't know what that is, but it's really pretty. And then this guy right here. I hope you can see him. He looks so cool. Like he's throughout the fabric too. And then there's this one, which is really pretty. So pretty. Look at that. I cut a little piece off. I put it on my envelope. But I love this. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Then there is this silk one. So pretty, and it feels nice. It feels really nice. Now, all of these are, well, all fabric was on sale, so I went on Valentine's Day, and wow, it was like a percentage off your entire purchase plus the whatever was on sale, which was a lot of the fabric. And then here's another one of the ones that they just got in. So pretty. So pretty. It's beautiful. And then there's this one. And that one. I'm gonna flip this over. Isn't this gorgeous? It's got the little traces of gold in it. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna, like, I feel worse about cutting into fabric than I do paper. And this is one of my favorites. That one is just, wow. And I got some marble fabric. I thought that was so pretty. And here's another one of the ones that they just got in. The next three, yeah, the next three, this one included, the next ones are the ones that, some more of the ones that they just got in. And it's upside down. Isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful. And this one, they're fans. And I think this is one of my other favorites. Yep. This is my other favorite right here. All these flowers and these colors and the gold and the, oh, it's so pretty. Yeah. I'm so glad I waited because I would have totally cut these up. Alright. This was another one. Here we go. There we go. And then I got a couple of silk ones. Is that right? And I really like this one because of just the colors. Like it feels really soft. It's super soft. And then it kind of had like a Halloween paisley tone to me. Like I love it. So I'm really looking forward to using this on something. All the ladies there were like, where'd you find these? I was like, in the back. They were in the floral section. They're like, what are you making? Because I had like a stack of I had like such a big stack of all these fabrics. And I'm like, what are you making? I was like, I'm gonna make journals. They're like, you make journals? journals out of these, yes. And boho beads and tassels. Isn't this gorgeous? So pretty. And I just want to lay on it. It's really soft. And then the last one is this really, really pretty floral one. It looks like a vintage floral paper, or not paper. It looks, well, it does look like it's paper, but it's gorgeous. I love this. This one was actually almost gone. Thank you. This one was actually almost gone. So I think I got 2 yards of this. I think I did, yeah. So awesome. Well, I love it. But that is the fabrics that I got from Joanns and Hobby Lobby, and I went at completely different times. And it was a while ago, so I've been waiting to use these for a while. I wanted to show them to you guys before I cut into them. And my camera stand, I got rid of my camera stand because it was so uncomfortable whenever I was filming all the time. Just the way I had it set up, there was like a bunch of pieces attached to a bunch of stuff. There was rubber bands, there was tape. It was just the worst thing ever. So I got rid of it, and it was just bad. So I haven't recorded anything for a while, and then I had a tripod, which I was like, it's no problem if I get rid of this, I'll just improvise with the tripod. So I opened up my tripod, and the adapter piece inside the bag was gone. Like the thing that you attach the camera to was gone. So that was a little devastating. So I looked up some ways to make a camera stand, and I found like this really, really cool one that's so simple, and I'll probably share. If you guys are interested in how I have my camera set up now, I will be happy to share with you guys, because I really feel like this is the most efficient, cheapest, easiest way to set up your camera so that it's looking straight down and you can see everything, and it's just not in the way. It's not in the way. That was like the best part ever. It's not taking up a ton of space, because I hate that, and it's portable. So yes. All right. I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.